In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access your affiliate links. You're going to go to your browser and you're going to search up HOYLEincorporated.com, and it should take you right to our website. And you're going to click on careers and scroll all the way to the bottom and click this green button. And that's going to take you to the sign up for an affiliate on PayHip, and you're going to create an email and a password, and then click create account, and then it should send us an email which we need to verify first. It's going to take a couple hours, and then once you get verified, you can go back on PayHip, go into the login, enter the email and password you previously put, and click next, click login. And scroll all the way down. Here you can see all of our products and everything that we are selling. And these are what you will be selling. And here you can see all your items, and you can see how many views and how many sales. There are 2 pages on our site. And then you can see how many people viewed your affiliate link. And to access the affiliate link, you're just going to click on the blue link that says affiliate link, and then you're just gonna see that your link pops up right here, and you can just copy that and then paste it to whatever social media, Twitter, Facebook, blog, or Instagram that you choose. You can just hit copy, and then you're just gonna paste that right onto your bio, to your caption, to wherever you want to add a referral to your affiliate links. And that's it. That's all. And here you can see on the left side, you're going to be able to see your sales.